All right, we are looking at vowel 10 and 11. In our previous videos, we had the, or class, we had the classes rather. We had actually looked at the other vowels. So this time we are looking at vowel 10 and 11, which is, oh, I mean, and what? Respectively. This is and what? This is respectively. And we have, as usual, varieties of letters or spellings falling under this. Okay. First, we have single O here in these words. If this is sound, then we have lag. All right, lag, san, sam, cam. So if I want to transcribe, I will have a case of lag as this. All right, then san come this way. All right, so that's that. Then sam will come this way. That's it. Then cam will now be like this. Okay, that's the transcription. Then we talk about two O's. All right, so in this case we have blaj, blaj, then flaj. So what do you do transcribing? You now be, a case of blood and flag. We have this plus this. These two O will change to this R sound. And we have this. Okay? That's for flat. Then for blood, we have this plus this. Two O will change to this, then we have this. Alright? Is the transcription clear? Alright. Then we talk about single U. In this case, we have cat, bat, sam. Cat, bat, and what? Sam. Cat, bat, sam. All right. Then we have this OE variety. All right. We have does. All right. That he does his work diligently. Not he does his work diligently. He does his work diligently. Then under OU variety, we have a tough. It is a tough movie, tough situation. All right. Transcribe tough now. You have a case of, tough like this. All right, that's that. Then Raf, this word is young, not young. Young, it's a young boy. Enough, not enough. Enough, young. All right, yes. So we have young like this. Young. Okay, yes. So that's that for some of the examples that we have under the sound. All right. So we move on to sound. Sound. Okay. Under this, these are the varieties of letters or spellings that we have. Okay. You have OUR in the middle of a word, IR, ER, OR, UR, EAR, or EUR. There is the possibility of the emergence of this sound. All right, except we have some few exceptions. All right, so in that case, this word here is scourge, while the other word is journey, not journey, journey. So in that case, if we want to transcribe, it will be easy for us because already we've known the sounds it will come first. What's the next sound there? It will come this way, and you and I know that OUR coming out in the middle of a word makes the sound to emerge. So you put this. Then what's the last sound you hear? G, and this G sound. Scourge. All right? Yes. Then we have journey. All right? Journey. How do you transcribe your journey? It will be easy for us. G sound plus this. All right? Journey. Okay? See the way it is now. So that's how it is. Then we talk about first, third, and all right? First, to transcribe first. Now it's important to note that all of these are underlined, okay? Yes. Then you talk about first there, which is this. All right? How do you do it? Add the next one, plus this and this. Then your first theta sound will come out. You transcribe that. This plus this. Okay? So that's how to transcribe. Then we talk about the next variety of spelling after this first, third, and respectively, which is serve, heard, herb. All right? Serve, heard, herb. Can you transcribe the three now? It will not give you any headache at all because they are very easy. You've already known that if you find all of this in the middle of your word, they give you these words, symbol or phonetic symbol. Okay, so what's going to give you headache there? Nothing, absolutely. So you have a case of serve as this. All right, serve. Transcribe heard will give you this. Herb will give you this. All right, you can see that it's easy to transcribe all of them. Then word. All right, word here, word, then when. All right, since they are not, can't say word is word, then the other word is when. I guess you can transcribe the two right now with the way I have pronounced them. So it will not give you any problem at all. Word will now be this plus this. Then when will now be this plus the this. Even the other variety, this word is curves, not curves, curves, then curve. So this will not also give problem because we have a case of curves where you have this, then the UR will be converted to this, then the next sound is, that's all we hear, and that's the transcription. Talk about curve, if you come this way, then the next sound is this plus this. That's what we come out. Then what about earth? Another variety, EAR. All right, transcribe earth. I think with all that you've learned, you should be able to transcribe earth. All right, because EAR will give you this sound. All right, which is this. All right, I've told you TH that sounds T is theta sound, which is like this, right? So what do? Go ahead to add it. This is F. Transcribe F. See the transcription is perfect there. Then earn. What do? Just do this, then put this. Earn will give you this. All right. That's for this. All right. Where heard will give you this. That's that for the transcription. Okay. Then we talk about entrepreneur. All right. Entrepreneur. All right. So that's that. For this, don't forget that you must always underline all of these. Okay. Then this is the one that receives it. Entrepreneur. So this sound will end that word. Okay. Remember that when you are pronouncing this is entrepreneur. All right. So that's that. So in our next video, we shall look at the final vowel, which is vowel 12 under the pure vowel.